I got a comment asking to break down this effect from this music video. So today I'm going to show you how to recreate this inside of After Effects super quickly. And I'm going to show you the exact preset that I used to get this look almost instantly. Right before we get into it, I have a full pack with these grunge OPIUM presets up on my website. They pair super well with these kinds of artists. If you're trying to get that OPIUM look that you see in Ken Carson, Rich Amiri, Destroy Lonely's music video, then this is the pack for you. It's an amazing starting point for all of these grunge type of edits, and I've made it plugin free as well. So it's accessible for pretty much anybody. So if you want to get that, it'll be linked down below. But anyways, let's hop right into it. Getting started here in After Effects, I have this clip of Rich Amiri pulled up, and since this is a dark clip already, I think the effect is going to look super nice. So the first effect that we're going to add is going to be a grid. You're going to make this width and height sliders. You're going to make the width 4, same with the height, make that 4, and then you're going to make the grid color black and make the border something like 2. And finally, you're going to go to blending mode and you're going to make that multiply. You can either invert the grid or not, depending on what you want, but for me, I'm just going to unselect invert. Next, we're going to add Venetian blinds. And you're going to make the transition completion something around 26%, make the width 6, and leave the rest of the settings alone. And I'm just going to come back up to grid and tweak the height slider so we can get a cooler effect with the Venetian blinds. And yeah, that looks super fire. Next, we're going to add a CC lens effect, and we're going to drag the size all the way up and bring down the convergence to whatever you like, whatever looks good. And now you're going to throw in an optics compensation effect and drag the effect all the way on top of the other effects and just increase the field of view to whatever your desire is. Next step, we're going to add a transform effect on the clip to scale it up so we lose those black borders. And as you can see, the clip already looks super fire and we're only halfway done. And now the last effect, before we get into creating the actual grunge look for this effect, it's going to be chromatic aberration. So we're going to throw that in. We're going to make the red aberration -3 and make the blue aberration 3. And you can see the difference that it makes on our clip already. And I'm just going to close all of these layers down and we're going to actually get started on the real effect. So now click S on your keyboard to bring up the scale, and then you're going to click this little button right here to unlink uniform scale. And now you can stretch the height of the image to give it that stretched VHS kind of look. And once you're done, you can just click the button again and close it by clicking S again. And now to tie it all together, I'm going to be using OPIUM Look 7 from OPIUM V2 just to give it this crazy but soft night vision look. And with chromatic aberration, it doesn't look great, so I'm just going to untoggle that for now. And boom, now that looks insane. It looks just like the shots in LITHE'S music video. And yeah, if you want to grab OPIUM V2, it is the first link down in the description below. And also, if you use code OPIUM, you will get $5 off the OPIUM V1 and V2 bundle. OPIUM is an absolute time saver for these types of grunge edits, so if that's what you're into, don't miss out. Go grab them, first link down below. And now I'm going to show you another method to get this look without OPIUM V2, but remember, it won't look as nice as OPIUM Look 7 because I spent a lot of time perfecting the presets in this pack. So a quick tutorial isn't going to match up quality wise, but anyways, let me show you the alternative method. So what you're going to do now is add a tint. You're going to map the white to like a light green like this, almost a sort of mint green color. And now you're going to add glow, and you're going to copy the values that I've put here. And you're going to finally add a deep glow to the whole thing to tie it together, and make sure to bring down the intensity a ton, but you want to keep the radius pretty high so we do get that nice outer glow going on. And finally, you can throw on NTS CRS. There's a lot to unpack, so I can create a separate video on NTS CRS. If you guys would like that, let me know down below. And yeah, that's basically the whole effect. If you guys enjoyed this video, do not forget to leave a like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. And if you do want to support the channel even further and upgrade your editing at the same time, you can go check out my website and my preset packs that are linked down below. It helps support the channel even further, and I believe that everybody will find something that they need on there to upgrade their editing. So if you want to get better, now's the chance. And just a reminder to use code OPIUM if you do want $5 off the OPIUM bundle to help you get started on these grunge edits. And one last thing before I go, if you are not fully committed to buying a preset pack yet, I do offer an amazing sample pack up on my website. All you have to do is sign up and it will be sent straight to your email. You got a couple of presets, overlays, sound effects, everything you need to help you get started and understand the potential of my presets. So on that note, I'll catch you guys next time, and I hope you guys have a blessed day. Peace.